The second recording. I live alone, which is fine, until you realize how many sounds a house makes when no one else is there to explain them. Last Tuesday, I woke up at 3:07 a.m. to the soft ping of my doorbell camera. Not the doorbell, just the camera, detecting motion. I didn't move. I just stared at the ceiling, listening. Nothing. No footsteps, no knock, no car. Just the quiet hum of the refrigerator down the hall and my own breathing, suddenly too loud. In the morning, I checked the app. The clip was 9 seconds long. My porch was empty, but the camera microphone had recorded something. A faint voice, too close to the mic, whispered, "I know you're awake." I laughed, because that's what you do when something scares you and you need it to be stupid. Maybe it was the audio glitching. Maybe it caught a neighbor's TV through a window. Still, I turned the sensitivity down. That night, I left the hallway light on. At 3:07 a.m., my phone lit up again. Motion detected. This time I sat up, heart punching at my ribs, and opened the clip immediately. The porch was still empty, but the audio was clearer. "Don't turn it down." My mouth went dry. I checked the timestamp again. Same time, same length, 9 seconds. I didn't sleep after that. I just waited for morning with the stiff stillness of someone pretending they're not prey. The next day, I called the camera company. They ran me through the usual questions: firmware updates, Wi-Fi interference, resetting the device. That evening, I factory reset the doorbell camera and changed every password I had. I even put a chair under the front doorknob like I'd seen in movies, even though I knew it wouldn't actually help if someone really wanted in. I told myself I was being ridiculous. Then, at 3:07 a.m., the phone buzzed again. Motion detected. I didn't open the clip right away. I don't know why. I think part of me already knew. When I finally tapped it, the porch was empty, just like before. But this time, the recording didn't start with a whisper. It started with my own voice. It was me, sleepy and confused, muttering right beside the microphone, as if I were standing on the porch. I listened, frozen, as I spoke in the dark. Okay, I'm here. I'm awake." Then a second voice replied, warm, patient, right up against the mic. "Good. Now look at the front door." The clip ended. 9 seconds. I stared at my bedroom door, unable to make my body do anything. My eyes kept flicking to the corner of the room, like I expected it to be fuller than it was. I forced myself to open the live view. The porch was empty. No movement. No shadows. No person standing in the camera's little curved lens. Then the camera adjusted its exposure, and I saw it. Not on the porch, in the reflection. In the glossy paint of my own front door, the camera was catching a dim, warped mirror image of the hallway behind it. My hallway. The one I'd left the light on in. And in that reflection, deep inside the house, far past the deadbolt and the chain, something was standing in the hallway, still, facing the door, facing me. The camera didn't pick up motion on the porch because it wasn't outside. My phone buzzed again, a new notification. Not motion, not a recording, just a system message from the app. Microphone activated. And from somewhere in my house, close enough that it could have been just outside my bedroom, something whispered, gently, like it didn't want to wake anyone else. Turn around. I want to see your face. And that's when I realized the camera had never been recording the porch. It had been recording me.